Good evening, class. Yeah, how are you this evening? Yeah, welcome to our today's lesson. And I am so happy we shall start discussing about hydrocarbons. So, have you come across an hydrocarbon? Leonard, have you ever come across an hydrocarbon? Yes.
Yes, I've come up, across hydrocarbons, and I have a hand in dividing what is
and I
hydrocarbon.
have
An
I
hydrocarbon
have a hard time
is made up of
defining what is
only.
made up of carbon and hydrogen only.
Okay, that is great, Mr. Leonard. The real definition of hydrocarbon is a compound containing carbon and hydrogen. So, let us proceed. At the end of the lesson, you have to define what's an hydrocarbon and classify hydrocarbons. So let us start from the definition of hydrocarbon. As the way Mr. Leonard has explained, saying hydrocarbon is a compound containing carbon and hydrogen. So what you have been eating mostly, let us say example, bananas, we have pumpkins, we have sweet potatoes, we have carrots. All those food you have been eating contain what you call hydrocarbons. Is that okay? Yeah. So whenever you are going outside there to purchase something, or you are going anywhere before you purchase something, you need to check if it is a fruit. Majority of the fruits contain carbon and hydrogen. Another thing in our homes, I know most of you are now comrades and you like cooking your food using gas. So whenever you are using a gas to cook to prepare your food, remember that gas is made of carbon and hydrogen. For example, Madam Faith, which gas are you using when cooking your food at home? Mhm. Yes, Faith, tell us what gas are you using? You think methane? Leonard,
Okay, in my side, yeah, it is commonly used.
the type. They have written we have key gas, we have K gas, we have power gas, and number of gas. Yeah, those are examples of gases you normally use, but no gas has been written outside methane. Methane is a gas. Yeah, the cylinder itself is written K gas, but inside it we have what you call methane gas. So, is that okay? So before you purchase anything in the market, remember to check. Okay? Yeah, so let us continue. So we are told hydrocarbons are organic compounds made of carbon and hydrogen. So they are the simplest type of organic compound, and they are found naturally in petroleum, natural gas, and coal. So if you have now understand. So natural gases, we have petroleum, we have coal, and also some plastics we have been using here and there, like containers you have been using to fetch water. They are made of carbon. Pen makaa hiyo mnatumia kupika chakula, we call them carbon because they support combustion. Let us continue. So how are these hydrocarbons classified? Raymond, can you try how these hydrocarbons are classified?
Ones that have ring structure, they are known as aromatic. The ones that have open structure, they are
Okay, that's a good trial, eh? So hydrocarbons are classified into two main groups. One, we have what you call aliphatic hydrocarbons. When we say aliphatic hydrocarbons, they are hydrocarbons which are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and they are open chain structures. Open chains means they can be in a straight line or they can be in branching. For example, if you have 2-methyl butane that is an example of aliphatic hydrocarbons. So, and these aliphatic hydrocarbons, they have been subdivided into three groups. One, we have what we call alkanes. Who can define for us what is an alkane? Faith, what's an alkane?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
The type of an hydrocarbon that is made up of single bond.
Yes, that's a good trial. Yeah, Mr. Leonard, give us another classification of these aliphatic hydrocarbons.
Okay, we have alkenes
Yes.
and alkynes. And when we talk about alkenes, these are compounds which have double bond between the carbon and hydrogen. No, not carbon and hydrogen, but carbon.
Wow, that's a good trial. So these aliphatic hydrocarbons are divided into three. We have alkanes, which are made up of single bonds only. Alafu we have alkanes, they are made up of one or more double bonds. Alafu we have what we call alkynes, they are made up of three bonds. We call them triple bonds. So I think in your school, you just learn about the test of alkanes, test of alkenes, and also alkynes. So those are examples of aliphatic hydrocarbons. So let us just look about alkanes. Alkanes are also called paraffins. Kama umeona mafuta taa, ile mafuta ya kitambo mlikuwa mtumia kuwasha taa, we call them alkane. Alkane, they have what we call single bonds. They are saturated. When we say they are saturated, it means they are all single bonds. Examples we have say we have methane, hiyo gas mnatumia kupika nyumbani. We have also ethane gas, and then we have propane gas. So both of these one, they are naturally existing as fuels. So hiyo tunatumia kupika sana, belong to a group we call alkanes, and they are single bonds. So under alkenes we say they are unsaturated hydrocarbons with double bonds. Example is ethene. The gas we call ethene gas is used in making of plastics. Sema plastics mnatumianga nyumbani kuleta maji hiyo yote ya sana mnakula nayo siku hizi. They are made of what? Ethene. So then we have alkynes. Alkynes, they are made of alkynes here, they are unsaturated hydrocarbons with a triple bonds. Example is an ethane gas. They are mostly used in welding. Kama umeenda mahali pa kuchoma maybe vitu kama vyuma, kwa ndani wanatumia, naona hiyo kitu inasima moto. Hiyo maji hiyo ama wanatumia kuchoma mawaya. So inside it kuna ethane gas. They are mostly used in welding. So as we finalize, let us check on aromatics. You can give us an example of an aromatic compound. Mr. Raymond, example of aromatic compound. We have alkene and alkane. Mr. Leonard, another example.
Okay, we have purity.
We have also purine. Faith. Another example of aromatic compound. Not pauline, it is called tauline. Yes, so we have three examples of aromatic. We have benzene, we have toluene, alafu we have naphthalene. So they are mostly found in dyes, drugs, and plastics. Is that okay?
Okay.
So as we summarize, let us now see the uses of hydrocarbon. Who can try one use of hydrocarbon? Mr. Leonard, give us one function of an hydrocarbon.
Okay, as we have stated, one of it use of it's used as a petroleum.
Yeah, one use, that's a good. As fuel.
a fuel.
Another thing.
Another thing,
Felix, try again.
Felix, try again.
One use of hydrocarbon is it is used as lubricant and solvents in machineries.
Wow, wow, that's
Well, it is used as a lubricant and solvents in machines. Lubricant, it is something lubricating. Wanatumia kama oil. So they are mostly used as lubricants and solvent in industries. Alafu, that's all about our today's lesson. I have maybe one question for you. Who can define for me what's an hydrocarbon? Faith. Define for me an hydrocarbon.
Hydrocarbon compounds that are made up of carbon and hydrogen only.
Yeah, hydrocarbon is made up of carbon and hydrogen only. So give me your two classification of hydrocarbon. Phyllis. Phyllis, are you in the class? Raymond, kindly assist here.
Hydrocarbons can be classified as either alkanes, alkenes, or alkynes.
Wow. So they are classified into alkenes, alkanes, and alkenes. So, so that is all about this lesson. Learn about hydrocarbons, classification of hydrocarbons, and their functions. So next week we shall have another class. We shall start a topic on chemical properties of hydrocarbons. So kindly tell your colleagues to update time. So meanwhile, next time, enjoy your studies.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
Good night.
Sleep well. Hii klasi nimechoka. Mwalimu ametusumbua leo.